Hello, today in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 applications for this device. Alrighty, so the first app is called WTMP, and this app allows you to imperceptibly take pictures from the selfie camera of your smartphone each time its screen gets either unlocked or even if there is unlocked attempt as well. So let's go ahead and launch this app as well as set it up. There is this starting instruction that you can use in order to get familiar with this app. In order for it to be activated, tap on this power button, grant the camera access to the WTMP. The battery optimization is optional, so we'll skip it. And finally, there is the permit usage access that we need to allow. So let's go ahead, turn on the switch, and once we get back to the app, you'll see that this button turned green, which means that the app has been successfully activated. So now, let's test it out real quick. And as you can see, once we get back to the app, there are 2 new entries. One of them containing the picture from the selfie camera at the time that device has not been unlocked, and another one contains the respective picture of the fact that we have unlocked the device, just like so. So if you would like to monitor and know for sure whether somebody or someone try to get some kind of unauthorized access to your phone or try to touch your phone without you knowing it, this app is a go-to thing to have. Next, there is the PixArt, a very well-known, famous, and cool, I would say in general, app for editing, retouching photos and videos. So let's grant it the gallery access, and in here choose what photo, picture or video you would like to work with. I'll go with this screenshot. And once at the editing page, as you can see at the bottom part, you'll have various categories of tools. For example, the tools category has this many features and options and, tools, obviously, that you can play with. There are also some effects that you can apply, or even stickers. And what's not, a lot of other cool functions and features that we highly recommend that you try checking out yourself, because if we were to talk about every of them, this video would probably take about 3 or 4 hours, I think. Alrighty, so the third and final app for this video is a very simple app on the other hand, that is called Stick Around. And this app allows you to see whether any particular movie or film has the hidden scenes, should they be after or during the credits. So there are 2 sections, or should I say this app consists from 2 sections. The first one is called In Theaters, which will display and show you all the movies and films that are currently at the cinemas, at the theaters. So for example, I've bought the ticket for the new The Gray Man, and I want to know whether it contains hidden scenes. As you can see, no cool scenes at all, neither after nor during the credits. What about the Jurassic World? The same. Thor, and obviously, as you can see, Thor contains after and during the credit scenes. The second section is called Search, and in here you can just look up any movie that is not at the cinema, or even some old movie. As you can see, it can show you the entries that date back as far as 1984. I'll not go that far myself. I want to check whether, for example, the Dune 2021 movie has any hidden scenes, and as you can clearly see, it does not. Alrighty, so that will be it, not only for the Stick Around app, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.